lets you understand why I started. Hey, stop video. Why I started with the back versus the front. And for those that are waiting long enough, this is why it's a biscuit. Biscuits go to the back since it's a front wheel drive. So that's why you start at the back. For those that don't understand what a biscuit is, this right here is a biscuit. It's like almost my size of my face. Now let's compare it to what is at the front, and this is the meat that I'm used to driving with. So if you still don't understand why, and for those that do, comment down why I say the biscuit goes to the back. Comment down. Yeah, and if you guys want a more debriefed video of why, maybe with some graphics and some explanation, I'll be sure to do so. Just comment down, like, share, subscribe, and yeah, let me know you want follow-up full video in this orientation.